You will have many different laptops to choose from, so finding the one that perfectly suits your needs can feel overwhelming. Here we have the HP Pavilion x360, which has become a consumer favorite due to its uniquely versatile design. In this video, we're going to be going over key features, who this product is for, how it compares to the competition, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. The HP Pavilion x360 measures 9.6 by 14.1 by 0.8 inches with a total weight of just 4.41 pounds. It has an interesting hourglass design that gives it quite a unique overall appearance. While it isn't the slimmest model on the market, it is fairly easy to transport when you are on the go. We really like the 2-in-1 design of this laptop. It can be used as a traditional laptop or a tablet in one quick motion. This high degree of versatility makes it easy to get your needs met, whatever they happen to be. Using this laptop in tablet mode can be very useful when you need to step up your productivity for work. The stylus that it comes with is perfect for drawing, writing, and a number of other tasks. It has an ergonomic design that makes it very easy to hold and work with. This laptop boasts an 8th generation Intel dual-core i3-8130U processor, which has a base speed of 2.2 GHz and a maximum speed of 3.4 GHz. The turbo boost capabilities of the processor make it excellent for gaming and other demanding tasks. You also get 4 GB of DDR4-2400 SD RAM and 16 GB of Intel Octane memory. This ensures fast and smooth performance regardless of what you are doing. The 1TB hard drive in this laptop offers a decent amount of data storage. You should have more than enough for all of your videos, photos, music, games, and other files. The 14-inch FHD IPS touch display gives you a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080. It is reasonably bright with good color contrast. Details appear sharp for the most part, and the picture is quite vibrant. This is something you will be sure to appreciate when watching videos, gaming, or just viewing photos. On the left side of this laptop, you will find a USB 3.1 Type-A port, a security lock slot, audio jack, and power button. On the right side, there is an additional USB 3.1 Type-A port, a USB 3.1 Type-C port, and an HDMI video output for an external display. You also have a full SD card reader, which can really come in handy if you are into photography. This card reader provides you with a quick and convenient way to transfer pictures to and from your laptop. You will also enjoy fast internet speeds due to this laptop's built-in 802.11b/n/AC Wi-Fi adapter. It allows you to make the most of your at-home internet for a reliable wireless connection. The built-in Bluetooth lets you establish a wireless connection with a wide range of compatible devices within just seconds. The backlit full-size Island keyboard on this laptop offers optimal visibility for easy typing at all times. It features dedicated page down, page up, home, and end keys. You'll quickly find that this keyboard has a very nice and intuitive overall feel when you are typing on it. The touchpad beneath it doesn't feature any buttons, but it is plenty big. The fingerprint reader on the keyboard is a nice bonus feature that gives you an extra layer of security. This allows you to unlock your computer within just a couple of seconds. It offers an excellent way to protect your data at all times. This laptop's Bang and Olufsen tuned speakers aren't quite as loud as we'd like, but they do offer a nice clean sound. You won't have to deal with much distortion or additional noise even when you crank the volume up. There is even a B&O audio control utility that will let you adjust the sound to match your needs. This is definitely a feature you will appreciate if you listen to music a lot. You will be able to use this laptop continuously for around 6.5 hours before recharging becomes necessary. This certainly isn't the best battery life of any laptop, but it is pretty good when you consider this one's overall size. There is also a 720p webcam on the front of this laptop. It does an exceptional job of picking up on colors without any discernible issues. The video quality is far from perfect, but it is perfectly adequate for video chatting with friends and family. The integrated Intel HD Graphics 620 GPU is not well suited for hardcore gamers, but it is perfectly acceptable for casual gaming and streaming HD video. You'll find that it can handle lower resolution games and other media just fine. That's all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and like the video, consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing. Till next time, hope you all have a great day.